How to change your PIN on Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech and Cryptos. By changing your PIN of Netflix, you can keep your profile secure and avoid other people using it. To change your PIN, you must log in to your Netflix using the website. And when you are logged in, hover over your profile on the top right and then open up account. From the account section, if you scroll down, you'll see profile and parental controls. Click on your profile and you'll see profile log. Click on change and type in the password of your Netflix account and click on continue. Now it's going to show you the current PIN that you have in. To change it, you can just remove the existing PIN and type in the new one. Once you do, just click on save. And there you go, your PIN on Netflix now has been successfully changed. And anytime you need to access your profile, you'll need to type in the PIN that you've added in. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos similar to this. Until then, keep watching.